How to log into Temu account. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. You can easily log into your Temu account using the web version, or also you can use the app. For this video, I will be using the Temu app. You can get this app easily from the Play Store or App Store. Launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app Temu. Once app appears, download it. Once completion of download process, launch the app. With that, you will enter this kind of page. Now, at the bottom, you will see this option of sign in. Click on it. With that, you will land to the login page. Now from here, you can easily log into your account. All you have to do is type in your Temu account's credentials. So go ahead and type in your email or phone number, or also you can use your Google account, Facebook or Apple ID to log into your account. For now, I will be using my email address. Just go ahead and type in your email or phone number linked with your Temu account. After you type in your email address, now type in your password. In the case you have forgotten your password, click on this option of Forget Password to recover it. Once you fill this, click on Sign In. And just with that, you will be logged into your Temu account. So this was really simple and quick process. This is how you can easily log into your Temu account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.